Welcome to the new online version of ChatView. This web application is designed to replace or supplement the existing desktop version of ChatView for emergency response personnel throughout Chatham County, North Carolina. The online version of ChatView provides some tools not available within the desktop version that will hopefully enhance the user experience. The data available within the online version is also an upgrade because it is always up to date and doesn't need to be manually updated. The application defaults to the Chatham County General Purpose Base Map, which provides the user with a highly detailed map of the road network, points of interest, and hydrology in Chatham County, North Carolina. The user can change the base map using the Base Map widget on the top right toolbar. This application includes the Chatham County light gray base map, as well as different years of historical aerial imagery. The default tool that is activated when the ChatView application is opened is the Find Nearest Fire Station Near Me widget. We can close this widget and reopen it from the toolbar on the top right-hand side of the screen. This tool can be utilized to find the nearest fire station to a specific address. The user enters an address, chooses a fire station, and can get the road mileage from that fire station to the chosen address using the Directions tab. The tool locates the nearest fire stations to an address using a buffer tolerance as the crow flies, but the Directions tab within the tool will give the user road mileage. I'll now demonstrate how to use this tool. As you can see, as we increase the buffer distance, it finds additional fire departments throughout the county. Generally, we'll just want to search for the nearest one, and in this instance, we're going to choose Pittsboro Volunteer Fire Department. Once we select that, we can hit the Directions tab, and it will give us those road directions that we're looking for. In this case, 0.24 miles. Upon opening the ChatView application, the fire tax district boundaries in Chatham County and the fire stations in Chatham County and the surrounding counties are visible. You will notice that as you zoom into the map, different data layers including address points, parcels, hydrants, and water points begin to draw at different zoom levels. Once these data layers become visible, you can click on the map features to view pop-up information about each feature. An important thing to note is if you have the Find Nearest Fire Station Near Me widget open and click on the map, it will set a location rather than choosing a pop-up. So you need to close that widget prior to selecting the data. We're going to try and select this hydrant here so you can see the pop-up. And there's pop-ups for parcels, address points, water points, and also hydrants. Additionally, using the search box in the upper right-hand portion of the application, users can search different layers within the map to zoom to their desired location. You can use the drop-down menu to the left of the search box to switch from address points, parcel number, deed name, current owner, or a fire station name. Or you can just simply leave it on all and it'll search all those layers. So we're going to go ahead and search for an address or for a parcel. And it should eventually give you IntelliSense, and you can just choose that parcel. And upon selecting that parcel, the map will zoom to the selected feature, and a pop-up for that feature will become visible. The pop-up for the parcel layer includes links to different information about the parcel, including the current property record card, the deed, a plat map if the plat map exists, a link to the tax search, and a well or septic permit. On the bottom of the screen you will see an up arrow. If you click the arrow, it will open the attribute table for the GIS data layers included in the map. The user can toggle between these layers, filter by map extent, select data, zoom to that data, and export it to a CSV file if desired. This is a very powerful tool to help the user view the data behind what is shown on the map. Utilizing the Layer tool, the user can turn on and off layers within the map to create the desired map layout for printing. For example, we can turn off water points or turn off hydrants. As you turn layers on and off, they will appear and disappear from the Legend tool. So if we activate the Legend tool, we're going to also see that water points and hydrants were no longer on there. But if we activate that legend again, we're going to see it. Additionally, as you zoom in and out of the map, layers that are no longer visible on the map will drop off from the legend as well. Using the Print widget, the user can select from different layout options and file types to create when printing a map. If we activate the Print widget, you'll see the different dialog that is available. The Print tool will print what is shown on the map at the time the Print tool is activated. There are also different scale options and resolution options under the Advanced tab. I'll now go ahead and demonstrate what it looks like to utilize the Print widget within this application. Once you've set all your options and hit the Print button, you'll get a Creating Print dialog. A print will generally take anywhere from 8 to 15 seconds depending on what you have on your map. Once the print has finished, you'll see the PDF is available for download. If you click that, it will open your map in a separate browser window where you can save that as a PDF or just simply print the map. An additional tool that's available within this application is the Measurement tool. The Measurement tool allows the user to measure distances, measure the area of polygons, or get coordinates from the map. The tool is very easy to use, and distance units can be easily adjusted to meet the end user's needs. I'll now go ahead and just do a basic demonstration of how to utilize the Measurement tool. We're going to measure a distance, and we want to set our distance units to feet. And we want to measure the distance from this property address to the nearest hydrant. Just simply click on the map and double click to end, and that'll get you 224.8 feet. You can change that to miles, or you could also choose to digitize a polygon if you wanted to measure how many acres a property was or something like that. You can also get coordinates from the map using the Location tool, and you can choose between degrees or degrees, minutes, and seconds. Simply place a point on the map and you'll get your latitude and longitude for that point. I'd like to now highlight two links at the top of the ChatView application that allow access to separate GIS applications maintained by Chatham County's GIS department. Links to the Tax and Land Records Viewer and the Chatham County Open Data Portal are available within ChatView. This will allow the user to quickly access a different application that may meet their needs better than the ChatView application. In all of our applications, we provide an information tool that provides data regarding the application, contact information related to each application, and release notes if applicable. This can be a valuable resource to gain further information about what the application can do. Thank you for using the ChatView online web application. We hope that you have found the application to be useful, and please feel free to provide feedback to the Chatham County GIS staff about how we can make the application better.